baby. You enjoy being in the car, don't you? I'm sorry we haven't done it sooner. We're only waking up from our slumber now. You want the window open? This is Auntie Rita's house here. It's Auntie Rita's house. You want the other window open? There's the other window open too. Do you want to sit in the front seat? Did you come sit in the front seat with Mommy? There's Uncle Ronnie's house here. Uncle Ronnie's door is open. I haven't been this way before, so I'm going to take you this way. Before you take me for a walk, I'm going to take you for a drive this way. Lockville Boulevard. Oops. You okay, baby? I didn't see the car. I didn't know you were going to sit in the back seat, so I put my bags there. I'll put my bags in the boot next time, okay? Torbay. Okay, let's go straight. I'm going to take my bags and put them in the back, in the boot, so you can sit comfortably there. Wait. Baby, wait. I'll put the bags in the back seat, okay? Mommy's coming back. Wait. Mommy's coming back. I just opened the door for you. I didn't know where you were gonna jump in. The front seat was empty. Why didn't you take the front seat? The back seat was already full. Do you want to sit in the front seat or in the back seat? What street is this? We haven't been up here. We've never walked here before. Well, I do the driving and take you to some new streets. I like you take me to some new streets while walking. Straight or turn? Let's see what's here. Oh my God! Ooh, where did that music come from? Oh. Oh, Neelan, this song is for you. Shri Satya Sai. क्षमा करो साई मेरे बाबा श्री सत्य साई क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा प्रेम मूर्ति सत्य साई क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा प्रेम मूर्ति सत्य साई क्षमा कर साई मेरे बाबा श्री सत्य साई एक बार क्षमा कर साई मेरे बाबा श्री सत्य साई ओम साई प्रेम साई श्री सत्य साई ओम साई प्रेम house here. See, they sing so beautiful bhajans. They will please mommy so much. They must sing for mommy. They must sing for mommy. Mommy can't sing anymore, but mommy can dance. I'm gonna drop you off at home now, right? Because mommy has to work, okay, baby? Mommy's gotta go to work now. Wait, honestly. Mommy's coming, mommy's coming. Did you have a good ride? Did you have a good ride? Come on. You're gonna go inside, okay? You don't have a collar anymore. So you gotta listen to mommy now, okay? I'm gonna say go inside, you gotta go inside, okay? Because I don't have a collar to hold you anymore. Are you happy? Okay. You happy? Did you have a good ride? Mommy will take you more ride, okay? I'll take you more ride later, okay? Go inside. Go sleep now. Go sleep now. Mommy's happy. You're happy. I love you. I'm going to be okay. I'm going to be okay, baby. Okay, let's go inside the room. Let's go inside the room. We're not going to close any doors anymore. Go and sit there and wait for mommy. Mommy will be home soon. Mommy will be home soon. Go wait for mommy. Sit here. Go there by the window. Go there by the window. Mommy's okay now. Mommy's not sick anymore. Mommy's woke up. Mommy was unconscious for so long. Mommy's awake now. Mommy's awake. I can see in the dark even. You don't have to worry about me anymore. You don't have to worry about me anymore. I'm okay now. Come, you go sit there. Mommy worries about you. Go sit on your carpet. Sit, baby. Sit. Drop. Twiggy, drop. Where's a good boy? Baby, drop. Say, mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Kiss it. Mommy loves you. Stay. Stay, baby, stay. No, you can't come. I'll take you again for a ride, okay? I love you. Bye.